enjoying your shower? I'm going to switch hands. Which one's recording and which one's spraying? Okay, hold on. Hold on, honey. It's not done. Okay. There we go. Yep. Hi. Giving you a drenching shower to help with the crazy hormones. Yeah. Plus you just like showers, huh? You just like showers. You dance, yeah, you dancing in the rain and singing in the rain? Yes, you are. It's a happy birdie. It's a happy birdie. Look at those pretty feathers. Look at all those pretty feathers. Oh, you done? You done? Or did you just hear something scary? I got interrupted. Oh, but I'm not done. I'm never done. I could shower forever. Forever and ever. But unfortunately, you only shower until this bottle runs out, so yeah. It's getting there. For some reason, my arm is tired. You done? Nope. Dumb question, huh? You'd never be done. Never, never. I'm trying to get your chest feathers. Oh, I think we reached the end of the bottle. Yep, all gone. All gone. All done. Was that a good shower? Yeah. Is that a good shower? Well, it's all done. Totoro. It's all gone. All the rain's gone. Yep. Spiky little dinosaur bird. You gonna floof? Oh, you gotta go all the way up here. You gonna floof? Nope, you're just gonna preen? I don't know why she likes to just come all the way up to the very top of this branch and sit on it. He's such a dork. Doesn't even look very comfortable. It's all sharp. Sharp and rough. Floof! Yeah, does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah. Yeah. You're a funny girl. You're a little dinosaur. Hey, let me see your little spike. Your little dinosaur spike. You're so cute. Okay. Say bye-bye. I'm gonna go preen now. Lots of preening to do.